In 2015, most countries signed up to be carbon net zero by 2050.
Right.
And to get there, the countries have to change their energy mix. The energy mix that is dominant in most countries would be described as a hub and spoke model. At the hub, you have fossil fuels, spokes, renewables. Fossil fuels, they have some wonderful properties. Always on, high energy dense, and scalable, but dirty. Renewables, the spokes, not always on, not energy dense, and not scalable. But together, they're what we would call optimal today. But that's the optimal format today isn't good enough to get us to carbon net zero by 2050. So we have to substitute what is now at the hub with another source of energy with the same properties, always on, high energy dense and scalable, but clean. And the combination of that hub and the spokes being renewables will be what will be the way, the energy mix of the future. And I go back to whenever there's a shift in the dominant source of energy, there's a shift in economic power. So what we're looking at, we're looking forward, we're looking ahead. Because at the end of the day, when you invest, why you invest? You're investing to create wealth. And creating wealth, if you think about any wealthy person, they created their wealth by practicing what we call the 3 Ps. They predicted, they planned for the prediction, and they persevered. So the proliferation of nuclear energy will not come from only those gigaplants. The proliferation will come from small and micro modular reactors, which are manufactured in plants and can be deployed quickly. No different from airplanes or cars.
You're also excited about the medical applications of uranium and nuclear technology. Talk to us about that.
Not necessarily uranium. You see, when you think of cancer, there are presently 3 modalities for treating cancer. And cancer today is experiencing an exponential growth. So if you think about an industry to be investing in, oncology is a great industry. So 2018, we came to the conclusion that we need to make sure that we get into the treatment of cancer, but not through the first modality, which is surgery, not through chemotherapy, not through radiation, but through what is now the 4th modality for treating cancer, which is targeted radionuclide therapy, which is treating cancer directly aimed at the infected cells and leaving neighboring healthy cells alone.